Hi everyone and welcome to our channel Smart Student. In this video we are going to discuss a few most important current affairs. So without any late, let's start this episode. Our first question is, which company has partnered with Bajaj Allianz to launch cyber insurance named Digital Suraksha Group Insurance? Our options are Flipkart, Amazon, Snapdeal and Myntra. Correct answer is Flipkart because the customers who wish to cover themselves against financial losses resulting from cyber attacks, cyber frauds, or other such malicious activities on various online platforms. And now it is our second question. Name the bank which has launched green initiative named IB eNote. The options are HDFC Bank, Indian Bank, ICICI Bank, and Union Bank of India. The correct answer is Indian Bank because the Indian Bank wants to enable a total paperless working environment. This tool enables processing and tracking of notes put up by various offices digitally. The bank for this initiative has customized SharePoint, which is one of the features of Microsoft Office. The bank also launched IndGuru, an e-learning platform for these employees. Third question. Name the person who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Bengal Peerless. Option A Rahul Dravid, option B Saurav Ganguly, C Yuvraj Singh, and option D is Virendra Sehwag. Answer is Saurav Ganguly. Yes, Kolkata based real estate developer Bengal Peerless Housing Development Company Limited appointed former national cricket team captain and current president of Board of Control for Cricket in India, which means BCCI, Saurav Ganguly as its brand ambassador. Question number 4. Dal Lake is located in which state or union territory of India? Option A Puducherry, B Jammu and Kashmir, C Ladakh, and option D Himachal Pradesh. The correct answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Dal Lake is in Srinagar, the summer capital of Jammu and Kashmir. It is an urban lake which is the second largest in the Union Territory of Jammu Kashmir. It is an integral recreation in Kashmir and is named the Lake of Flowers. Fifth question. When is World Heart Day observed annually? Option A September 26th, B September 27th, C September 28th, and D September 29th. The World Heart Day is observed annually on September 29th to raise awareness about cardiovascular diseases, including heart disease and stroke. The day also aims to educate people that at least 80% of premature death due to heart disease and stroke can be avoided by controlling risk factors such as tobacco use, unhealthy diet, and the physical inactivity. Who announced the Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Prize 2020? The options are Narendra Modi, Dr. Harshvardhan, Nitin Gadkari, and Amit Shah. The Shant Swarup Bhatnagar Prize 2020 was announced by the Union Science and Technology Minister, who is Dr. Harshvardhan, at the Foundation Day celebration of Council for Scientific and Industrial Research on 26th September. Who breaks the record of MS Dhoni to take the top position in the list of wicketkeepers with most wickets in T20? KL Rahul, Josh Butler, Elisa Healy, and Sarah Taylor. Former India captain MS Dhoni is regarded as one of the best wicket keepers of the modern era. Dhoni has achieved 91 dismissals of 57 catches and 34 stumpings. But the record has been broken by women's cricket star Elisa Healy, who belongs to the country Australia. She suppressed Dhoni's record to take the top position in the list of wicketkeepers with most wickets in T20s. So the correct answer is Elisa Healy. Which company launched Make Smart Strong campaign? Facebook, Twitter, Microsoft, Google. The answer is Google. On September 30th, 2020, Google had announced the launch of its nationwide campaign, Make Small Strong, in order to help and support the small businesses and drive demand through customer support. Who launched new logo of Sports Authority of India? Saurav Ganguly, Kiran Rijiju, MS Dhoni, and Sachin Tendulkar. The Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports, Kiran Rijiju, has launched the new logo of Sports Authority of India on 30th September 2020 at Delhi's Major Dhyan Chand Stadium. Union Minister launched various services for farmers in which state of India? The options are Goa, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka. Andhra Pradesh is the correct answer. The Union Minister for Chemicals and Fertilizers, who is Shri D.V. Sadananda Gowda, has launched a new software called POS 3.1, which provides SMS gateway and also home delivery facility of fertilizers for farmers in Andhra Pradesh. Okay, friends, these are few interesting current affairs, and I hope that you understood them. If you enjoyed this video, then like it and share this with your friends and family members. Also write your opinion about this video in comment section. To know more interesting current affairs like these in future, then subscribe to Smart Student channel by pressing the notification bell. Thank you for watching.